Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to mark a group chat as unread on Telegram with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open Telegram on your phone. Once you're in the app, navigate to the group chat that you wish to mark as unread. Next, long press on the group chat you want to mark as unread. This action will select the group chat and bring up additional options for managing the chat. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. This will open a menu with various options for the group chat. Lastly, from the menu options, select Mark as Unread. By choosing this option, you indicate that you want to mark the group chat as unread, allowing you to revisit it later. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your group chats on Telegram by marking them as unread. This feature helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss any important messages within your group conversations. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to mark a group chat as unread on Telegram. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your messaging experience.